Well, as you know, you learn by doing, and I should. Welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of leather working. I haven't done this particular type of leather working, although I did make this sandbag a couple of years ago. So today, for learning how to sew with wax thread, I'm going to wrap the X-Acto knife. So without much further ado, we're going to see what we can. Well, as you know, you learn by doing, and I should have learned that the lock stitching was better than just the standard sort of cross thread. I screwed up a couple of the stitches, etc., but on balance, I now have a tool that's easier for me to hold.